Can you believe that this video was created without even having a car? All you need is your phone to do this. And you can post these kinds of videos and make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok and YouTube. And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create videos just like these for free. First, we need a video script, so go on ChatGPT and we're going to tell them to write a list of luxury supercars. And then choose the car that you want. We chose the Ferrari. Then we're going to tell ChatGPT to write interesting facts about the Ferrari and start with the hook saying, "A Ferrari is everyone's dream car and here's why." And now we have our video script. For our pictures and videos, go on Leonardo AI and click on Create New Image. And then put the name of the car that you chose for your video in the prompt. And click on Generate. And keep in mind that Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens each day that you can use to create your videos and pictures. And here's our picture. Now we're going to show you how you can convert your picture to a video. All you need to do is click on Image to Motion and click on Generate. And choose the motion strength that you want. We kept it at 5. And here is our video. Now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created. And we're going to put transitions between them. And this is to give the video a little bit of movement. And we chose the transitions black fade and pull in. But you can choose any transition that you like. And now we're going to add our text. So click on Text, Add Text. And paste the video script that you created on ChatGPT. And after we put the text, click on Text to Speech and then click on the voice that you like. And we chose old style advertising male, but you can choose any voiceover that you like. And we're going to do this in multiple parts because CapCut has a limit of 500 characters. After we got the voiceover for our video, now we're going to delete all of the text that we created, and this is because we're going to create our auto captions. Now click on Text, then Auto Captions, and click on the auto captions that you like. And we chose the yellow one with a black outline, but you can choose any one that you like. And we're just putting the text in the center, and then we're making sure the spelling of all of our text is right. And then once we finish, we're going to download our video, and all you need to do is click on the upper right hand corner and click on the button. And if you want to know the best niches for TikTok and YouTube to make thousands of dollars each month, make sure you watch the video in the description box below.